Hello friends, this design is slightly different and I thought I should tell how to make settings properly. After downloading files, you can follow these steps. These are our files and we can put our slicer, these parts. Okay. Our parts is here and we must turn them 90 degrees. Okay. Okay, now we will open this notebook and see here coordinate numbers. Okay, now red one, we can just copy these numbers as x, and red one, as we know, this circle. Yes, 0 0 and Control V, our number. Okay, this big part will be all of 0, like that. The white one, take a look. White one, we will copy this. Okay, this 0. Okay, the gray one, 14, 8. Gray one is this. I don't remember. Again. Okay. Yep, now we can see they all fit perfectly. Look close. I don't see any problem. Yes, I will delete these big parts. Then we will print white one firstly, and I'm deleting other parts. And first white. Yes, okay. I'm name it like this. Okay, now I'm suggesting you build plate adhesion will be none. It will be more easy. We can slice it. Okay, I don't see any problem. We can save our SD card and we will Control Z. Okay, we can delete this part now. The gray one, we can say slice. This second one, gray. Okay, we can save this. Okay, Control Z again, Control Z again, and red parts. This will turn. Okay, some Turkish keyboard problems. Red. Okay, we can save this too. And I will check this will be none. Okay, save to remove drive. And other step, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. The big part will be gone. And now we must delete these parts. Yes. Okay, I'm controlling there. Here, all of them. 0, 0, 0. Okay. And I suggest you can open the skirt now. And I'm suggesting one settings too. It is ironing. I will enable ironing. And I love concentric one. It is making good looking pattern. I like it. And it is looking more smooth than normal printing. Yes, concentric, okay. Yes. I will slice. And the name, last part, black. Okay. It is 15 minutes. Okay, we can save this too. Okay. Let's try to print in our printer.